Today, I am going to show you how to create a short film using the Premuim text-to-video prompt generator. First, click on the lower right corner of the screen and select Create Film with Consistent Character Details. It will ask you to specify what kind of short film you want to create. Select Short Film and then choose Drama, as you can see. It will provide 10 different titles, and I select Dust in the Morning Sunday. It writes the log line for me, followed by the primary character details and secondary character details. After confirming, it starts writing the scene titles. We have around 8 scenes in this short movie. I then ask it to write a screenplay for each scene, and it begins drafting a real screenplay. After that, it generates all the keyframes. In this case, it creates 6 keyframes, but I feel that's not enough, so I request more keyframes. As you can see, it starts adding more keyframes within the short film and the scenes. Next, I decide to start with the first shot. It writes a wide shot of a quad, followed by the second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth shots. I then go to Hailuo AI MiniMax AI, copy and paste the text into the video generator, and produce all these shots. As you can see, it's telling the story, showing the main character drawing something, with a close-up on the hands. There's also a shot of a truck moving through a dusty area. You have all these shots ready, and I will download and create the video later. For now, let's move forward and create more shots. The next one is the 6th shot, and then we proceed. I go to ChatGPT and request the next shot. We now have shot 7. I copy and paste the prompt, generate it, and proceed to the next one. Sometimes we need to provide clear instructions like please next, and I also ensure it includes character details. Occasionally, it skips that part, so I prompt it to add the details. Now, there's a dialogue section. Let's see what we can do here. I ask it to generate shot 8 and redo shot 7. This is shot 7, and here is shot 8. We generate it once more. As you can see, this is the track. If you add a track number or model, it will likely generate a more consistent track. In this case, it's somewhat consistent, and we have another shot here. This shot lacks details about the characters' ages, so we recreate it. I remove this shot and see what comes out for the others. This track is an old pickup truck. If I provide the model name, it will generate a similar track. Currently, the car is different. What I usually do is copy the prompt, go to ChatGPT, and request it to create track details. Let's see what it produces. It retrieves the track model name, and we recreate the shots with the truck and its details, along with character details. This is short 5, which we will recreate. Short 6 is fine. As you can see, she is very close. This is the dialogue part where they are talking. The results are very cinematic, and you can use this. Remember, you can generate as many times as you want. For demonstration purposes, I am doing it once, but in MiniMax, you can generate up to 5 shots at once, giving you 5 different versions to choose from. This one also lacks character details, so I go to ChatGPT and request the next shot. This one has no character details, so we recreate it. Now, it includes character details, and we generate it again. I remove the unnecessary shot to avoid confusion. We now have our video generated, and as you can see, it's quite consistent. This is 1 generation per prompt, but you can generate more to get better results. The truck now matches the one we wanted. Earlier, it was different, but this time it generated the correct truck. Let's generate more. I proceed to the last one and request the next shot. It asks us to generate the second scene. You might need additional shots here, which you can generate, but I won't do that now. I am focusing on the current task. In MiniMax, you can add image references, like the face of the woman, and use it for close-up shots. You can copy the face, upload it, and maintain consistency across the shots. Let's do that now. For example, let's see what this shot is about. Now, I'll create one with a consistent face reference for the woman. I have her image here, and I'll generate another shot with it. This method is very fast. You just copy and paste the prompts, and the results are excellent. Editing the prompts slightly can yield even better results. This is just a demonstration, so I'll copy them to show you how it works. For example, here is one with the man's face. I have his image here, and I'll generate it. Remember, you can generate 5 at once and pick the best one. Sometimes, you can use multiple generations in different places. Let's see what it produces. This is the third shot from scene 2. This GPT is helpful if English isn't your first language. Writing complex prompts can be challenging, but this tool simplifies the process. Now, this is the guy. Here is the shot with the car. It respects the car model, which is good. Always specify the car model, and MiniMax will generate consistent results. This one is a Ford series from 1948. Next, I'll go to CapCut, upload all these videos, and edit them there. This tutorial isn't about video editing, but focuses on using MiniMax AI and the Premuim text-to-video prompt generator. In the first reference, the car is coming, but there's no driver inside, which we can edit later. I copy the prompt, add the driver, and regenerate the shot. Both shots are wide shots, but they look slightly different. I can combine them into one. This shot is also fine. He's coming in again, but this one doesn't have a face. You can use a prompt generator for Kling AI and Sora, which works with other generators too. The results are always cinematic and consistent. The face references work well for the main character, but the male character varies slightly each time. In Kling AI, this might work better, allowing multiple characters in the same shot. I plan to create another video using Kling AI in the future. Our latest videos are generated with face references, and they're very consistent. The colors are a bit off in some shots, but you can adjust the prompts to fix that. This shot lacks a face reference, so it's slightly different. The car shot is ready, and I'll download everything, import it into CapCut, and arrange it in one line to show you how to work with it further. Now, we're in CapCut. I've downloaded and imported all the short videos we created. As you can see, I've placed them in a sequence. I add a small adjustment layer to improve the quality and ensure a consistent tone. You can also search for audio files, like background music. Let's see if there's any music available. Select the beats, cut the music, and align it with the video. You can also add effects, like a camera shake, in specific places. Here are the dialogue parts, which you can copy from ChatGPT. You can create voices using MiniMax's audio section. There's no lip sync here, but you can adjust it. Once finished, export the video. You can also add effects for the car and other elements to complete the video. That's all for today. Remember, we have a YouTube channel where we upload new tutorial videos every 3 to 4 days. We also have a Patreon where members can access exclusive content, such as specialized prompts. If you join Patreon, you'll receive notifications about new uploads and gain access to additional resources. You can also follow us on Twitter and join our Facebook group. Links to these platforms are in the description. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow us on YouTube. Bye-bye.